The Mile Patriot here. Well, we managed to sneak one more in. Let me give it to you. Old Donation Church. Just east stands the Old Donation Episcopal Church, built in 1736. It is the third building to serve the colonial-era Lynnhaven Parish, established by 1642. The second church, once adjacent to the current building, was converted into a school in 1737. The church received its present name in the early 19th century, likely in commemoration of a gift of land. An 1882 fire left only portions of its brick wall standing. The building was restored in 1916 and was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1972. So there you go, Old Donation Church. I'm over here not far from, oh, that's interesting, from Witch Duck, the witch. Woo!